this is me, Flame, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video guys, karon medyo ko nakabalik guys kay I'm being busy. So, busy ko sa akong pag-diet sa So, na lang ko i-share ninyo guys. This is for all of us naman po. So, guys, kaulo ko na kita jud tanan na nagtuo sa Ginoo. But there is certain things na kailangan na pareho na tong Ginoo. Kay siya ra ang makahatag sa tanan. Ingon kung gikapuyan ka, pwede ka mo doon na siya giingon siyang punong na come all of you who are tired and burdened, I will give you rest. So, gaingon siya, anak, jud guys, na tagaan tanig internal rest. So, this is based on my experience na gahatag jud ang Ginoo. Gahatag jud siya o rest sa ato ang kinabuhi. Ano gahatag siya kalipay o kaday sa atong pagtasig sa atong palawas. So guys, this is a short video lang kay this is my first time going back and vlogging. So I will see you to my next vlog, but don't forget to trust in the Lord with all your heart, and He will give you the desires of your heart. So, magkuan na jud ta guys, magtuo kaniya kanunay, ug siya ra ang makahatag ug makaangkon sa tong pangkinahanglanon. Well, dili ko Christian na tong niagi. I was not sa Christian jud. But since we were in Sikihor now, someone approached us and say something na ang Ginoo ay makatabang sa tanan. And we trusted, and now I was born again and crucified with His blood and baptized with the water. Meaning to say, the water, or baptizing water, is drowning your old self and born again with your new self. So, that is the meaning of water baptism. So, for more video guys, please, I'm not like other vlogger. I just want to spread the love of God. If you like this, kung ganahan mo, pwede mo po mo like. At kung ganahan mo maminaw pa jud, subscribe na lang. And that's all for today, and bye-bye!